This is the Swann Tracker Security Camera, and this is a very clever piece of home monitoring, but it's much more than that. What I really like about this is the premise of it is quite simple, but it's very clever the way Swann have actually achieved the goal. What they wanted was the ability to see the entire room at one time without having to pan or tilt or anything like that. So they've got a very, very wide 180-degree camera shot of the room. But then you have the ability to deep dive into a particular image that's in the room that's moving around. For example, it could be a dog, it could be a person, could be a child in the room, and the tracking element will stay tight on that shot as it's moving around the room. So you have still that wide shot, but then you've got a tight shot of the bit in the room that you're actually wanting to see, that is the movement in the room. So that's the tracking element. Now, it's very, very simple, as I said, but it's very clever the way Swann have achieved this. Now, they've got some other great features on this, but we'll crack it open and have a look inside at what the camera looks like. Little CES Innovation Award there. That's where we first saw the tracker camera. It's not a big camera, and it's definitely something that you can sit on a bookshelf or you can sit on a kitchen bench. It's small enough to really be able to be unobtrusive in the home. You've got a little micro SD storage slot on the side, and what that means is that you can store shots actually on the camera itself if you choose to, as well as, of course, you can access the camera from an app and then upload that vision to one of to Swann's cloud solution, and you can store it for however many days you choose to have that content stored for. Instruction booklet as well in the box, but really what we're talking about here is the ability to have two images viewable at once from one camera, and that's what makes it very simple. I mean, they've got the other features here, they're all listed on the box, things like two-way talking, for example. So, for example, if you've got somebody who lives at home alone and you want to be able to have a conversation with them, check in on them every once in a while, this is a great solution, because with two-way talk audio, you can talk to them, they can talk to you. It's a 1080p shot of the room, so it's nice and crisp, full HD. Of course, as well, with Swann, they've been pushing into the area of voice control, and with this one you can use your Google Assistant or you can use Alexa to voice control with it. It's a control point for that too, so you can obviously talk to it and have different activations occur. Very, very clever. Lots of technology built into a very small camera. Very cool tech for home indoor monitoring from the guys at Swann.